Hey everyone, my name's Rob. I love arcade games. I love At Games Legends products. So when I got to see um, out in the community this Legends Unchained solution coming out, I got really excited. I wanted to build something for the community to look at to get an idea of what they can do with it, as well as to build my own arcade system. I'm very excited about being able to play some games that I could not play on CoinOps X. But I still appreciate all the work that community did, as well as all the games that they have out there. So I want to review this with you all today. This is a build that I created for a friend of mine named John. I know he's going to appreciate it. So just to start you off, I went ahead and used a theme called Omega Drive. I modified it. I went out and I found it, just searching the web, trying to find a theme that would actually work with Legends Unchained. Wasn't overly challenging, but there are certain elements that wouldn't display. This is where I landed, and I will show you why. It's a very pretty theme, but to start also, let's go ahead and look at the system supported within this build. So some Omega, I love my mini Omega 500, and so I want to make sure I capture some of those games. 2600, 5200, 7800, Atmos Wave. If you've messed with any of these type of builds before, you'll know everything that tends to come on it. The difference between this build and some other builds is I actually use ChatGPT to identify the top 25, 50, 100 games per system. They got close to the 25 mark. Sometimes it went over the 100 mark, but in reality, it's a great way to have an extensive library of games to play on your At Games Legends products. So again, just flipping through some of the systems that I'm supporting on this build, we'll go ahead and we'll go into one. So this is what I loved about this Omega Drive build, or this theme. It's the layout's beautiful. So just to show you here, within my build, I've scraped all artwork, I've scraped all information, all the metadata per game, as well as video for this. So I have the video's audio turned off right now so I can hear myself speak, but any other time when I'm playing this on my arcade machine, I'm flipping through, I'm getting audio from each of these videos, and it's a very neat experience. So some things that I'm working on here, because I didn't want to go through and modify the systems file for Emulation Station, I went ahead and just put things in directories. So you'll see under PC Engine, I support PC Engine as well as TurboGrafx 16. Something else I'm trying to go through and add to each one of these systems is some artwork. So you can see here I've got PC Engine CD as well as TurboGrafx CD. But this just gives you an idea of what this build is. There's some artwork I still need to scrape. For example, here within the PSP, I don't have some artwork. Dying to play this game. I bet this is really silly. So Michael Jackson, The Experience. If there's anything in this build that you've seen that you'd like to know more about, just please go ahead and leave me a comment and I will go ahead and show you. But for now, I'm going to end it on this game. I loved Sega products. This was probably one of my most exciting part of this new build, is to be able to play some of these higher end games. So I just wanted to leave this here with you so you get an idea of how these perform on this hardware. And I am running this on a At Games Legends Ultimate. Thus far, this looks pretty great.